Subscribe my channel GK Education and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. What is the full form of BOD? Biochemical oxygen demand. Which gas is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? Methyl isocyanate. The World Water Day is observed on 22nd March. The Earth Day is observed every year on 22nd April. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Ecosystem restoration. The Green Revolution within India commenced in 1965. Who is called the father of Green Revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan. Which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Which is the lowest layer of atmosphere? Troposphere. In which layer of atmosphere we human live in and nearly all weather occurs? Troposphere. Aeroplanes fly in which layer of atmosphere? In stratosphere. Which layer of atmosphere contains the ozone layer? In stratosphere. Which is the coldest atmospheric layer? Mesosphere. In which layer of atmosphere meteorites burn up on entering from the space? Mesosphere. Which layer of atmosphere helps in radio transmission? Thermosphere. Satellites occur in which layer of atmosphere? In thermosphere. Which is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere? Exosphere. Which layer has very thin air? Exosphere. What is the percentage of fresh water on Earth? 3%. Which festival is also called the Festival of the 100 Drums? Wangla Festival. Wangla Festival is celebrated by which community? By Garo community. Karam Puja is celebrated by which tribe of Assam? By the Tea tribe of Assam. What are the waterborne diseases? Cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc. What are the 2 newest national parks of Assam? Raimona National Park and Dihing Patkai National Park. Which national park is also known as Amazon of the East? Dihing Patkai National Park. At present, how many national parks are there in Assam? 7 national parks. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Assam. Which part of a plant evaporates water? Stomata. Which atmospheric layer saves Earth's animal from ultraviolet rays? Stratosphere. What is the basic unit of a society? Family. What comes first in a food chain? Producers. Growing agricultural crops between rows of planted trees is known as Tonga system. Growing of trees or shrubs around or among crops or pasture land is known as agroforestry. Cement factory laborers are prone to cytosilicosis disease. How many primary colors are there? 3 primary colors: red, yellow and blue. What do you call a house made of ice? Igloo. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Japan. Which continent is known as dark continent? Africa. Which is the hardest substance available on earth? Diamond. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Anemometer. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day? 8th September. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? 5th June. Which is the largest democracy in the world? Democracy of India. Which planet is known as Red Planet? Mars. Which state of India is known as Tiger State? Madhya Pradesh. Which is called the powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. Red Data Book contains data of endangered species. Minamata disease is due to methyl mercury.